William Wilkes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Smart Beep. Please refer to my other video for technical details in my learning. To set up Smart Beep on a computer, you'll need to download the Smart Beep installer from my website. I have emailed Ross the link to my website. Once you have navigated to my website, you'll need to scroll down the page and click on the Download Smart Beep installer link. Save the file. After the file has finished downloading, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Extract the zip archive that has been downloaded. The dialog for extracting zip archives may be slightly different on different operating systems, but follow the on-screen prompts. After the zip archive has finished extracting, launch the SmartBeep Setup.exe application. Click Run. You may get an antivirus alert because the antivirus software is not familiar with my installer and so has not enough information to determine whether it is safe or not. You'll need to click Run this program anyway. The installer may be loading in the background if you have had an antivirus alert, so I'm going to click on the taskbar icon to retrieve it. After the installer has finished loading, follow the on-screen prompts to install SmartBeep. You'll need to press OK or Continue to any user account control or antivirus prompts during the SmartBeep installation. After the Install Shield wizard has completed, click Finish. To set up the SmartBeep hardware, first take the plug pack and plug it in. Then take the other end and plug it into the back of the SmartBeep box. Next, take the FTDI cable and plug the USB plug into a computer. Then, take the other end and plug it into the back of the SmartBeep box. I've only set one transmitter up to Auckland because transmitters are quite expensive. You'll have to take my word that SmartBeep can identify all the transmitters. To turn the transmitter on, first place the transmitter in the testing box. Then turn the testing box on. To turn the transmitter on, you'll need to take the magnet pen and hold it up to the little dimple in the transmitter's epoxy. Take care not to get confused with the programming port. To turn the transmitter on, you'll need to hold the magnet pen up to the little dimple in the transmitter's epoxy until the bug finder stops continuously beeping. You'll then need to take the magnet pen away in the 1 to 2 seconds after the bug finder has stopped continuously beeping. After you have taken the magnet pen away, you'll need to listen for up to 5 seconds before the background pulse rate will start. The transmitter is then turned on. I'm now going to demonstrate doing this. You can now hear the background pulse rate. You can hear the pulse rate then. Now the transmitter is turned on, place the lid on the testing box. To use the SmartBeep system, first open the SmartBeep application using the desktop icon. Next, choose the COM port that the SmartBeep hardware is connected to. This can be obtained by looking at the device driver installation dialog in the notification area. Turn the transmitter on using the process outlined earlier. Immediately after you have turned the transmitter on, click Connect to connect the SmartBeep application to the hardware. The first pulse time may not be accurate because the SmartBeep application is calibrating its timing system. The data output from the TX is now being collected and recorded by the Smart Beep application. For the ease of use in testing Smart Beep, I have sent you a transmitter that has the shortest possible data output. The Smart Beep software has now identified the software version running on the transmitter and showed us a picture of what the hardware in the testing box should look like. Please be sure to turn the transmitters off after you have finished using Smart Beep, as the transmitter's batteries are irreplaceable. To turn the transmitter off, you need to take the magnet pen and repeat the procedure used to turn it on, by holding the magnet pen up to the transmitter's epoxy until the bug finder stops continuously beeping, and then taking it away in the 1 to 2 seconds after it stops beeping. However, the time you need to hold the magnet pen up to the transmitter's epoxy is much shorter for turning the transmitter off. I am now going to demonstrate. After you have taken the magnet pen away, you need to listen for up to 5 seconds to check that no pulses are received from the transmitter. This ensures the transmitter is fully off. Please turn off the transmitters. Thank you for watching this video.